With your arms and legs inside the ride while the ride is in motion. All aboard! Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Holidog Express. My name is Mason, and I'll be your train conductor as we journey through Mother Goose Land to visit some of Holidog's friends. As our journey begins, I would like to direct your attention to both sides of the track. On the left is Peter Pumpkin Eater. Had a wife but couldn't keep her, so he put her in a pumpkin shell and there he kept her very well. On the right is Little Miss Muffin and the ugly spider who frightened her away. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty back together again. Here we see Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf on their way to Grandmother's house. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating his Christmas pie. He stuck in his thumb, pulled out a plum, and said, "Oh, what a good boy am I." Tom Tom the Piper's son stole a pig and away he run. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Here we see Jack climbing the beanstalk to find the goose that laid the golden eggs. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many kids she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread, spanked them all soundly, and sent them to bed. Boop, boop. Here we see Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Little boy Blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. As our journey comes to an end, I will once again ask that you remain seated till the ride has come to a complete stop. I hope you have enjoyed our journey through Mother Goose Land and continue to enjoy your day with us here at Holiday World and Splash and Safari.